Hello everyone, welcome back to a video. Today I will show you guys how to install mods on both Xbox One and PS4. I'm currently on the Xbox platform here, loaded up into Farming Simulator. We're here at the main menu. Let's take a look here. So you guys can see we do have quite a lot of options. You want to go down to the mods category, and here is all of the possible mods you can get here on console. Now really quickly, if you do guys come into here and you don't see really much mods, click down on the left button and it will change quite a few of them here. So let's come over here to the cars, download a truck, and if you guys just see this, you do want to do show all mods, the left L, and once you do it, you guys can see they do all appear here, which is pretty helpful. Let's come over here, let's install the TLX 2020 series. All you have to do is press A and it will automatically download for you guys here, which is a pretty sweet thing. Let's take a look at here at another truck mod really quickly, and you guys can see this is the NMC truck pack will install. So we have two trucks. Let's really quickly just go to some other categories and take a look here. So all of them you just kind of scroll through, really simple and easy. I will have to say how they made it here. You just press install and there we have it. So if you guys want to know what's currently installed, they will show up here. For me, they are currently downloading. You have updates. If you want updates, here are you guys can actually see they're downloading, which is pretty helpful. If you want to go downloadable, all the DLCs that you could get here, they're here. Up next, you do have the best mods. You do have the most downloaded latest, and looks like you do have the recommended. So pretty sweet setup here for console. Even though mods are limited to no new brands, that is a bit of a tricky. You can't really get Fords or GMCs on the game, but you could get these cool mods, which are great, and you could still enjoy the games. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to install mods on the console series, and you guys will be seeing lots more with this series as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for next one, and subscribe for more.